The haunted house that sneezed. Welcome to the creepiest, silliest tour in town, where the chandeliers giggle, the walls whisper jokes, and the haunted house has allergies. Meet Frankie and Lulu, two brave kids on a ghost tour. But this isn't your average haunted house. It sneezes out cobwebs, burps out bats, and its ghost host wears bunny slippers. Can they survive the world's wackiest haunted tour without laughing their socks off? Stick around. This haunted house is about to go achoo! A funny, not-so-scary tale of ghostly giggles, magical mishaps, and a house with a ticklish attic. Frankie and Lulu were brave little explorers. They loved spooky stories, creaky doors, and ghost tours galore. So when they saw a flyer that read, "Come visit the world's silliest haunted house," they grabbed their flashlights and headed out the door. The house stood crooked on a hill, with windows that blinked and a mailbox that shrieked. A ghost in bunny slippers waved from the porch. "Welcome," he said. "I'm Gary. I sneeze a lot." Frankie, whispering. "Did that ghost just say he sneezes?" Lulu, giggling. "Maybe he's allergic to cobwebs." Inside, the house was full of surprises. The chandelier giggled when they walked by. The wallpaper whispered knock-knock jokes. And the couch kept scooting away every time someone tried to sit. Suddenly, achoo! The whole house shook. Cobwebs flew from the ceiling. A puff of glitter shot out of the fireplace, and a bat wearing sunglasses zoomed past. Gary the ghost, sniffling. "Sorry, that was a big one. I think the attic's dusty." They climbed the stairs, tiptoeing past a mirror that made silly faces. In the attic, they found a pile of magical tissues. Each one had a different spell. One made the floor bounce like a trampoline. Another turned the lamp into a jellyfish. Frankie, laughing. "This haunted house isn't scary. It's hilarious." Lulu, grinning. "Let's help Gary clean up so he stops sneezing." They used enchanted dusters, bubble vacuums, and a sneeze-proof spell. Gary sniffled one last time, then smiled. "No more sneezes. You two are the bravest, funniest Ghostbusters I've ever met." As they left, the house gave them a wink. The mailbox sang a goodbye song. And the bat in sunglasses handed them a coupon for free haunted ice cream. So if you ever tour a haunted house that sneezes, bring tissues, giggles, and magical breezes. Because in a world of ghosts and enchanted delight, even spooky places can feel just right. Let's rhyme with Gary. Frankie and Lulu were brave and bold. They loved spooky stories and tales retold. So when they saw a flyer one day, "Haunted House Tour, just one hill away," they grabbed their flashlights, zipped up tight, and marched to the house by the pale moonlight. The house looked crooked, the shutters askew, the windows blinked and the chimney blew. A ghost in slippers waved from the door and sneezed so loud it shook the floor. "Achoo!" he cried. "Oh, pardon me, this house is haunted. Allergically." "I'm Gary the ghost," he said with a grin. "My haunted house has dust within." Inside the halls, the walls told jokes. The chairs did jigs. The rugs made croaks. The chandelier giggled. The mirror made faces. The fridge played jazz in spooky places. Then, achoo! A mighty blast! Cobwebs flew and bats flew past. A puff of glitter filled the air, and Lulu found a ghost in her hair. "This house is silly," Frankie said, as a couch moon walked past the bed. They climbed upstairs to find the source. The attic, of course, was the sneezy force. They found a pile of magical tissues, each one enchanted with sneeze-fixing wishes. One made the floor bounce like a ball. Another made portraits dance on the wall. They gave Gary a tissue marked, "No more sneeze." It sparkled and shimmered and smelled like cheese. He blew his nose with a ghostly toot, and suddenly stood in a sparkling suit. "I feel amazing," Gary beamed. "No more sneezes, just dreams that gleamed." He gave them both a ghostly high five, and the house itself seemed to come alive. The mailbox sang, the doorknob waved. The haunted house was freshly saved, and as they left, the bat in shades gave them coupons for ghost parades. So if you tour a house that sneezes, bring tissues, giggles, and ghostly cheeses. Because in a world of spooky delight, even haunted houses can feel just right. The end. Please subscribe to the J channel for kids. Thank you.